What's up, guys? I forgot to grab my camera a little bit early. You see I'm jacked up here. I was taking out the seats here. It's just 4 half-inch bolt studs. I think there should be more. Some are stripped. Who cares? This is what I'm working at. Okay, apologize for the lighting here, but I'm working on the carpet and stuff like that. If you could see here, rust, as expected. It's not bad. Floors are all good. See, someone was probably in here. They didn't seam seal anything, but I got a hole up in there that I'm going to be fixing. So I'm gonna vacuum most of this out. Here, let me pull you guys back here. See, I got everything from like chips. That's from when my friend's kid playing this. All the loose bolts and stuff I'm gonna keep. I don't know where they came from, but if there's bolts in the interior, they're probably for some finish panels. If you can see over on this guy, hopefully y'all could see it. That's a fresh air duct. It had a lot of mud and stuff on that bottom corner that comes in from the cowl. That comes in from the cowl. The fresh air comes to there, and there should be a little gate there, flopper gate, and that's right there. Will dictate the cool air breeze coming towards you, which is nice. Usually mud and dirt will get trapped in this bottom corner, and there's a drain hole that usually plugs, so usually pine needles, that kind of stuff will gather in there, so it's always good to clean that out. This side, it's a little bit harder to see because it's in between where that wire, those wires and those wires split there. That's the other one, so that's how it should be looking. But I'm gonna take a minute, vacuum all this stuff up, and then we're gonna pull this front half carpet off. This carpet's in 2 pieces, front half, and then a second half. I might just pull out this back seat, this one that I'm just booling in, and then probably maybe take out the whole carpet today. Who knows? Piece of shit. This is what we left with. Whole lot of underlay and stuff. I was getting at it with a putty knife and stuff, and this underlay just kind of sectioned out. We see we got some rust. It's not bad, but I'm gonna vacuum all that stuff out, and then I'm kind of winded, boys. I'm kind of working dolo here, so ignore me. I'm like a fat kid that just ran up a flight of stairs. While I'm at it, I think I'm just gonna take out. While I'm at it, I might just take out this back seat because I really want to vacuum everything out. I got the vacuum out, so why not? Get this piece out of here. There you go. Alright, normally for these rear seats, there's 2 bolts that's supposed to go here and here. Obviously, the guy put this together didn't have that great of craftsmanship because they didn't do it. So I believe you just slide this up, which will be easier said than done. Sorry, I thought I heard something. There you go. Actually, that wasn't too bad. Okay, hopefully this stays. I got 2, I believe, fill up, so I'm gonna just try taking 1 out, aka just this side. Now, see if she'll pop out. It's going out the driver door, I'll tell you that. Okay, got it. Looking like a yard sale right here, boys. That thing was a pain. I'm gonna go put that armrest back in because I don't want to lose bolts. As you can see, the floor is all right, okay. I was expecting worse. And then it's got these stupid ass sub wires. Those are getting all ripped off. All right, just checking. My bad. I was just checking out this armrest I was taking out, and what the fuck do we got here? Smoke weed every day. Okay, so almost at the home stretch. We got these seatbelt bolts, and we can get this carpet out. The size being, pretty sure it's a 21 mil, which sorry, 13/16. God damn, I'm too metric for these cars. It's a pretty shallow-headed bolt, so it's pretty common for this thing to slip off. That's cute. What the? Let's see what the hell this is. Alright guys, I have no idea what the hell this mat's here for, but it feels wet, which I'm kind of scared about. Well, me sound insulation thing, I don't really care, never. Look at this, this is why I don't. This is going straight in the fucking garbage. Look, more rust. Wonder why. Wonder why. Look at this, man. Dog shit. Project dog shit over here. Put pipes on the car. Why the hell would you put sound insulation so you don't hear it? It's the most poserous thing you could do. Alright boys, we're gonna make this a two-parter. Maybe I'm a little cheesed off. I'm gonna turn on the music, crack another cold one, get this stuff done. If you like what you saw, subscribe to this build. Seatbelt bolts stripped out. I'll tell you guys more about that stuff. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe. Yeah. Thanks. Bye.